channel. So today's video is going to be about self-confidence, me putting my 27 piece in my head, and also it's just going to be all of the above. But the thing is, this is a different type of hair. Now, as you guys know, this is the 28 piece. Now, as you guys know, I always stick with the 27 pieces, but I wanted to try something a little bit different, and I wanted to go with the 28 piece, and this is, you know, kind of different. Something that's really, really long. It does come with a cap and a shower cap. So if you guys are wondering, does it come with a cap or a shower cap? Yes, it does. It does come with a shower cap and a stocking cap. And whatever you want to look at on the back, everything will be on the back of this. But I got it in a 1B, so I wanted to try this out. This is new on the stock as well. I wanted to try this out and just see how this is going to react on my head. As you guys know, let's try the, what is it called? Gorilla Glue. I'm kidding. We're not gonna try no Gorilla Glue, honey. But let's talk about self-confidence. Like, if you guys are wondering, like, let's just be honest. If you guys are like, okay, so I wanna be putting this medium in my head. If you guys don't know, I always start with the medium first and then work my way up to the larger one. So let's just go with the medium one. Self-confidence, if you're gonna start your life like in a better, you know, environment or whatever, you just gotta walk by faith and not be so feared and whatever. If you guys get what I'm saying, you just gotta have faith, walk by faith, not by sight. Because if you're walking by just walking into you don't know what's gonna happen or anything, girl, get it together and just do what's best for you. Leave that relationship alone. Whatever you are thinking about or whatever, just leave it alone, because it's not gonna make it no better for you to just, you know, be just sitting there wondering, if it's gonna happen, is it not gonna happen? And what I mean by what's gonna happen, you just gotta do what's best for you, because sometimes it's just life. That's just what that is. It's just life. So walk by faith and not by sight, and just do what you gotta do, period. Okay? But if you this type of person that's always doubting yourself and just, you know, saying what you can't do and, you know, something like that, stop saying what you can't do and just do it, okay? Self-confidence is the best in my eyes, because if you don't have self-confidence, it's just going to bring you down and make you depressed and everything. And that's just something that I'm working on right now, because sometimes I just gotta push myself through it and say that I can do it. Sometimes I used to be this negative person that always thought that I couldn't do anything, and you know, but it wasn't that. It was just the past that I was going through and stuff like that. It was just like, okay, when am I gonna get out of this? And when I started pushing people away, it was just like, okay, well, maybe that's what I was really supposed to do, and just work on myself. Because girl, if you're if you're that type of person that's just always saying that you can't do anything, I'm not going to make it in life, I'm not going to move or anything, girl, just move around. Just move around. This hair is actually trying to get it to stay and stick. Now, I don't know what style I'm going to do today, but it's just going to be any type of style. Whatever style I'm just, you know, going for. But yeah, self-confidence is the best. And sometimes, like, self-confidence is like, okay, if you really want to think about it, all you have to do is just get some notebook paper or whatever and just write on your wall stating that you want to do better. Like, just say stuff that you can do and what you are going to do. Whatever you're going to put your mind to, that's probably going to stick to your head, and that's just going to make you feel self-confident. Because if you're not doing it and you got negative people that surround you, it's just you know, it's just not making it no better. It's just like, okay, well, what's next? But if you like into like crystals and everything, that is something that you need to, you know, I think that is something that you can look into, because sometimes you just gotta know what's within, like what's within you. What do you really want to do? And like me, I love to just listen to that smooth music and, you know, just get all the negative things out of my mind. Because sometimes I'm not even gonna lie, I do sometimes think, oh, I can't do it or something like that. But I have to write in my journal to say, girl, you got it and you can do it. Because sometimes you have fears like that, and I know that I can't keep thinking like that. That's why I got you guys to lift me up, and that's why I'm doing this, because sometimes I just be like, I can't. All I'm doing is just tighten up my hair, because sometimes I love my hair really tight so that my hair won't shift and everything. So all I'm doing is just wrapping it around. I'm just going to be just wrapping this around just like this. I always make sure it's really tight, but if you are the type of person that sweats and everything, and then you take showers or baths and everything, sometimes it can get a little loose. So I suggest just tightening it up a little bit, because girl, it's going to come a loose. Like I say, your cap is going to lift and everything. So I suggest, if you're going to put your own tracks in, just tighten it up just like this, and just make it a little bit tighter around your head, because you don't want your cap to be lifting up. That's what I'm trying to say. But it really doesn't matter what type of glue you use. I use this glue right here. I love this glue, and this is the glue that I use. So it doesn't really matter. I just pick glue up, and you know, I usually just keep this up for about 4 weeks, 3 weeks, or whatever, however long I feel like my hair is really tangling up, or it looks dry and everything and it's starting to itch. That's when I like kind of take it out. I don't necessarily be wanting it out my hair, because it really don't be looking like it need to be out, but sometimes I just be itching and aggravated because this hair be driving me crazy. I really want to try another color. I want to try orange or something, like a hot orange or something like that. I really want to try that color. I never had that in my head before, so I really want to like go out and look for me a color like that because I love colors like that. But you have to keep it oiled and everything because you don't want your hair to be just like dry. I'm just gonna go in and use the larger one. I usually just, you know, be finished with these really fast because I'm used to just putting these in my head, and I'm used to just doing them on anybody's head, for real. But I'm just gonna be putting these all around my head. As you guys know, as you all looked at all of my previous videos, I always start in the front because I love my bangs to be in the front. And I'm just going to go in and just do that and then work my way around in a circle. So let me just do this and I'm gonna speed the video up for you guys. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I'm done.
Just like you. You've been waiting so long. I'm here to answer your call. I know that I shouldn't have had you waiting that long. I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know them other guys have been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one.
So I am going to be using my closure just to close it up at the top because I'm done. So I'm going to go ahead and use this, and this is really full. I like this. Well, nah, it looks really thin. It looks thin full, if you guys know what I mean. I'm going to show you guys how it looks, but it really doesn't matter because it's just the closure. So I'm just gonna cut this part off. So that part right there, I'm gonna just cut that off right here, just so you know that won't aggravate me, because this will really aggravate me so bad. So I'm gonna just cut this off and I'm going to be done. And we're gonna talk all about this hair because I'm not even going to tell you guys until I get done cutting and styling. So I'll talk to you guys. If the camera go off, that means that my camera died. So I'm gonna put this on and cut my hair, and I'll get right back on with you guys. So if you guys don't see me in the video, that's because the camera died and it's about to go dead. So I'm gonna go and change my battery, and I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. Okay guys, so this is the finished look of my Sensational collection, and this is really pretty. I love how it looks. It's not, you know, it's not too much going on, but I really love this. I love how it's not shiny. I love how it's silky and it's not itchy right now. As I say, it's not itchy and it's just pretty. I love it. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty with this hair. Now, as I was opening up the bundles in the pack, the bundles are really thick. I love when all of my bundles are really thick, and I love how soft it's giving me. It's giving it that soft look and everything. You can wear these hairstyles in the winter, spring, fall, or whatever, wherever you want to go, like a vacation look, you know, something like that. If you want to wear this to a wedding, birthday party, anything, this will be for you. If you're looking for a hairstyle like this is something for you. I'm really in love with how I did it. It's kind of like a pixie cut, like a scissor cut, or whatever, however you want to call it. It's just that look. Like, I love that look. I want to show you guys my outfit because I'm, you know, I gotta be too much. I gotta do too much. I'm just playing, but yes, I'm loving this look. And yeah, let me show you guys the back. And this is just how the back is looking. Now the front of it, I love it. I love all of my short hairstyles and everything. So if you guys are looking for short hairstyles and everything, this will be something for you. I feel like I'm just saying a little bit like I'm all around, but, and as you guys know, this is the 28 piece. It is a little bit longer than the 27 piece. I usually just get the 27 piece, but I really wanted to switch it up to like a, you know, a longer piece. So this is the look. Let me know what you guys think about my hair. And yeah, this is the finished look. It looks like it's, I don't know, what is it giving you guys? What is it giving you guys? Like, I really want to know from you guys what it's giving. But yeah, I love it. Thank you all so much for watching my video, and I'll talk to you guys in another video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and if you love the video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys in another video. My camera is going dead.